Hey guys, Tactical Diesel Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of ATN Thor 4 thermal scope. So I went hog hunting the other day and figured those would be some interesting videos. So we'll unbox this thing, see what comes in it. Did a little bit of research. And this should be a pretty nice thermal scope to use. I can figure out how to unbox it. There we go. Fresh out of the package. Let's see what we get here. Get the obviously owner's manual. Got a cover, scope, eye relief cover, your different rings, USB cord, and last but not least, thermal scope. Now I do have to check this within 10 days to make sure there's no broken pixels. And gotta make sure there's no broken pixels within 10 days, or else I'll have to take it back to, or send it in to get fixed, instead of taking it back to the ATN store, which is here in Grapevine, Texas. The USB cable looks pretty sturdy, feels pretty thick, nice quality material. Obviously the scope better be quality. And then the rifle rings, scope rings, I'm sorry. Got two identical rings. It's probably going to be a good idea to get a quick mount. Yeah, open this one up. Although, like a LaRue Tactical, although I'm not sure what the minute of angle adjustment is going to be when you take a quick detach off and then try to put it back on. You're going to lose some zero. I just don't know how much. So there's some scope rings here. Oh, and an offset ring as well for mounting flexibility. So we'll put this on and see what it looks like, and hopefully get some good quality hog kills. All right, also got the tactical remote access control. It's like the manual and your remote with the never like to see these words, but you know, oh well, made in China. And then at the bottom of the box, you've got it's like some Velcro mounting options, and your battery cover. So apparently the scope itself has a 6-year warranty from my understanding, and this has pretty long battery life. I want to say it's over a year. I have to look at the manual again, but you're able to make adjustments to your scope with this mounted on the rail, so as you're looking down your scope, you can make adjustments on the fly if you have these memorized as to where you have them. So thanks for watching. I'll mount this on a weapon and then on my rifle, and we'll go out and do some hog hunting and get some good kills out of it. Appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video.